Welcome back to Tutorials Point. In today's video, we are going to learn how to change the password of your Yubo account. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So let's get started. So guys, as you can see that I am already logged in and I'm into my home page of live of a Yubo account. So if you really want to change your account by simply getting logged in and you do have various problems related to password, then all you have to do is first of all tap on this profile icon on the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your own profile, as you can see over here. Simply what you have to do is tap on this gear icon on the top right corner of the screen again. This will take you to various options of setting. What you have to do is tap on this account on the top of the list. This will take you to various options of your own account, either your name, birthday, gender, username, phone number, email. Simply you can see after that. On the very bottom, you have an option of change password. Simply tap on change password. Now you can keep your current password. And after keeping your old password, now you can keep your new password, which will be fulfilling all of the requirements asked by the Yubo app itself. So let me do it, alright? Then I'm going to confirm it again. And if I'm okay with all of the details that I fill, I'm going to tap on this red floating icon on the bottom right corner of this screen. You can see that my password has been changed. So this is how you do it. This is how you change the password of your Yubo account. So I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you in the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.